to against the motion, India should be Sanatan. India is a secular and democratic nation. Our constitutions give all citizens the freedom to follow any religion. People of different religions can follow any religion. Our strength is lying on our our strength is lying on in unity of diversity. Unity in diversity. The government of India, the government treats every citizen. The government should treat every citizens equal, regardless of religion. Every religion teaches um, peace, kindness, and respect. Instead of promoting religion by through the state, all religions is necessary to our nation. Thank you.
You said that India is a secular country, but you are also said we have to focus on all the religions and caste, like not only on Sanatan Dharma. It is correct that not only focusing on other religions, but you have to see previous things like historical thing like when you see the real book of Constitution, you saw that on that real book of Constitution you saw God pictures like Rama, Krishna, and Buddha, and they all belongs from the Sanatan Dharma. So all the religions and castes are came from the first religion that was Sanatan Dharma, and it is not like that all are discriminate on the religions and caste. All religion and caste born from the religion of Sanatan Dharma. So you cannot say like Sanatan Dharma is not a secular.
We should respect all religions. But how can you say all religions come from Sanatana Dharma?
Because you can see the historical thing, and you can so like if you saw the previous things before 5,000 years ago, you see many all people are follow the Sanatan Dharma. You can see the history of
Yeah, India's old culture is about the Sanatan, but I respect the Sanatan Dharma and I also respect the other dharma. But it is just discrimination with the other religion when we just take one religion as a national religion. Means we have not to just take one religion ever. We have to just give the equal rights to every religion.
Yes, you also see no person can discriminate on the basis, especially on Sanatan Dharma. That you can see they are discriminated on other dharma like a Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, but they are not discriminated on the religion Sanatan Dharma. Sanatan Dharma is very different. The all religion came from the Sanatan Dharma.
You are just belonging from the Sanatan Dharma. That's why you are telling the Sanatan Dharma is very different from the other. But when you just when you just
Sanatan Dharma is not different. Yeah. All
yeah, you are telling the Sanatan Dharma is different from the other.
all the religions of Father is Sanatan Dharma.
No.
This
It is totally wrong. The constitution just give the equal right to the every religions. Means the from Article 25 to 28 the constitution says you have to just adopt any type of religion and it is equal right. Means those people who just make that goddamn constitution means they people are just think and then make that constitution.
like if I ask a question from you that from which caste and religion you belong from?
No, I am not believing in the caste and the or other goddamn this religious thing.
What's your father's name? Full title? Please, then I will say explain.
No.
No.
Singh is pronounced. So your father and your grandfather is also using the caste.
Caste discrimination. They use.
You are just joking. Please.
Not joking. I am saying about the as you are saying about that Sanatan Dharma is very different, but it is
No, I am not different. I am not telling about Sanatana Dharma is different. You are telling Sanatana Dharma is different.
Sanatan Dharma is the father of all.
No.
I can say.
No. How can you say this?
Sanatan Dharma is one of the world's oldest living tradition.
Tell.
Sanatan Dharma is one of the world's oldest living tradition. It teaches us that such as discipline, self-discipline, and also give the idea that whole world is a family.
Give one advantage of Sanatan Dharma.
The answer, can you tell me?
I don't know.
You are just asking the question and you are just telling me.
I am telling that when I don't know the answer, then you can tell me the answer because you are asking the question.
I am against this topic.
If you are
How can I tell the answer?
If you are asking the question, then you have to know the answer first.
Yeah, I know the answer.
Then you can tell.
What is the goddamn question is that you are asking to that Atulya?
भाई चल क्या रहा है
Because equal citizenship is important, not religion's identity.
Last question is from you, all of you. That
Yeah.
what you say about Sanatan Dharma?
I am not say about us. We have to just tell about every religion.